For your first assignment, I want to get to know a little bit about you, and to do that, I'm going to have you use Google Jamboard. Here's an example of the Google Jamboard that I've created that describes a little bit about the things that I'm interested in, and I've gone ahead and I've answered the little post-it notes that are around the Jamboard. And so I want you to do the same thing, and so to do that, I'm going to show you real quickly how to use Google Jamboard. It's pretty easy to use. So you start off with a blank screen where you have these little post-it notes, and I want you to answer post-it notes using the different pictures and images that I'm going to show you how to use. So the first thing on Jamboard is you can change the background. Click on the background tab. You can add dots, you can add lines, you can also change a couple of the different colors. Over here on the left are some different tools that you can use. First tool that you can use is a drawing tool. And if you click on the drawing tool, you can use a pen, you can use a marker, you can use a highlighter, and then you go ahead and you can change the color of the marker as well. Below that is the eraser tool, where you can go ahead and then you can go ahead and erase whatever you've written on your Jamboard. Below that is your select tool. And with the select tool, you can go ahead and you can select objects on your Jamboard and you can move them around. You can change how big or small they are. You can rotate the object. You can also click on the little traffic light. And by doing so, you can edit, duplicate, delete, or change the order of an object. In case your objects are overlapping in a way you don't like, you can bring them to the front or bring them backward, or any other option in changing how they are ordered. Below the pointer tool is your sticky note tool. With the sticky note tool, you go ahead and type in what text you want to have on your sticky note. You can change the color, click save, and it'll put that sticky note on your screen, and then you can move it around. The next feature is the Add Image tool. You can upload an image from Google, or you can go to Google Image Search, type in the item that you're looking for, and a whole bunch of pictures will pop up. You then can go ahead and click on, click select, and it will add that image to your screen. Just make sure that the image that you add is school appropriate. And just like you can with a sticky note, you can go ahead and you can rotate these and move these around. Below the image tool is the shape tool. And with the shape tool, you can add circles, squares, arrows, whatever shape you want to add to your Google Jamboard, you can go ahead and you can add that using that feature. Next is the text box feature. If you click on the text box feature, you can go ahead and you can add text to your Jamboard. You can move that around as well. And then lastly is the laser tool, where you go ahead and you can point out to things that you might see that you want to point to people to make them aware of something that's important. Lastly, up at the top, if you click on the top, you can add another frame. And with another frame, you can add more information to your Jamboard if all the information doesn't fit inside one frame. So that's a little bit about Google Jamboard. What I want you to do is I want you to now answer the questions that you see on the screen with the post-it notes by using pictures, by using text, by using some of the other features of Google Jamboard that I've showed you. Have fun, and I'm interested to learn more about you.